Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to cook a very staple curry that's made in all Malwani homes or Konkani homes, which is a Malwani shrimp curry. It is one of the most delicious curries to be had with rice. It is full of flavors and the richness of that prawn has to offer. So coming to the benefits of prawn is considered to be a complete protein because of the presence of all 9 amino acids in them. They take care of your health and also take care of the free radicals in the body because of a content called as a selenium that's present in them, and it's so powerful that it keeps a lot of cancers away and a lot of heart disorders away from your body. Prawns also aid in the development of your muscle health and the bone health. Apart from selenium, they offer other antioxidants which take care of the immunity of your body. In spite of the high content of cholesterol in prawns, they do not increase the cholesterol of your body because of the heavy content of omega-3 fatty acids in them. They make sure that your good cholesterol goes up, which keeps your body healthy. But you make sure that don't overdo eating them because that's again not good for your health. So with the terrific taste that this dish offers and all the benefits that prawn gives us, I'm sure you're going to try this once, and please don't forget to leave your feedbacks on my YouTube comments. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. For this, you will need to soak the following ingredients in hot water: 8 bedgi chilies, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 Kashmiri chilies, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds. Soak them for approximately 20 minutes. We also need 250 grams of de-shelled and de-veined prawns, half an onion chopped for sauteing, half an onion chopped for the paste, 7 to 8 pieces of kokum. It will vary based on how sour the kokum is. 6 to 7 garlic pods and half an inch of ginger. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste. 100 grams of grated coconut, which can be about half. Grind together soaked coriander seeds, fennel seeds, bedgi, Kashmiri chili, ginger, garlic and onion with some water to a very fine paste. Now add in the fresh grated coconut and again grind it into a smooth paste together. We did not add this earlier, or else it takes a longer time for the chilies and the coriander seeds to get ground. To a heated kadai, add some oil and let it heat. Add chopped garlic and saute this until the raw flavor goes off. After about 30 seconds, add some turmeric. We didn't add this earlier, or else it gets burnt very soon. Now add in half a chopped onion and some salt to taste and saute this until onion turns pink in color. Once the rawness of onions is gone, you may add in the ground paste and saute this for about a minute on a medium flame. Add a little less than half a cup of water. Do not dilute this too much. Let this simmer without covering for a minute. Once you see the first boil, add in your clean de-veined shrimp along with some kokum and cover this and simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. The quantity of kokum used will depend on the amount of sourness it can impart. At this point, you may also add in about 2 to 3 pieces of trifle, also known as Sichuan pepper in English, which is a very common ingredient used in Malwani curries. This gets rid of any fishy odors. It also gives a very beautiful aromatic flavor to the dish and aids in digestion. I did not have it, and that's why I have not used it. The cooking time for a prawn depends on the size of the prawns. The size that I have used takes not more than 4 to 5 minutes of simmering time. If you overcook prawns, they lose the protein quality and they become tough in nature, which is not a good sign. Your prawn curry is ready in about 4 minutes. You may garnish this with some cilantro and serve it hot with some rice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.